In this assessment, we're asked to predict the product of the aldehyde/ketone synthesis shown on screen. This particular reaction is ozonolysis, a reaction we learned that earlier is the cleavage of an alkene to produce two carbonyl compounds. Now, the way that we can think about ozonolysis, if we look at our molecule here, here are our two alkenes. We're simply going to split each alkene so we can erase the bond in the center. And we're going to put an oxygen on each side. Now, if we number our carbons, so we'll just put them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We can then take this collection of now 1, 2, 3 molecules that we've drawn and redraw them just so that it's a little bit more aesthetically pleasing. We're making acetone, that's carbons 1, 2, and 3. We're going to make acetaldehyde using carbons 9 and 10. And again, we're going to show, often with aldehydes, we'll show that hydrogen there. It just looks better. And then the last one, the fragment of 4 through 8, is actually going to have two carbonyls because in the starting material, each of those carbons was part of the alkene. And so we can redraw that one, again, showing the hydrogen for the aldehyde, carbon 5, carbon 6, 7, and 8. Number those carbons, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the three products of the ozonolysis reaction.